And so that book, very impactful. The second one that I'm like currently reading right now that has made me feel something, like it made me emotional, is Invisible Cities. It's kind of an
I think I've heard
allegory
of it.
using the framing of Marco Polo and Kublai Khan. I'm a big fan of Venice, but it basically talks about seeing human desire in your mind's eye using the metaphor of cities. And it's like Marco Polo like talking to Kublai Khan and telling him stories about all these cities that aren't real, but it sparks Kublai Khan, who, was probably the ruler of the known world for a while in Marco Polo's time. He was a conqueror. He expanded. He was, in the business context, it's a great allegory on business where it's like about grow, 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 grow. But then the inside of the empire, doesn't matter how large it is,